All right, using your BraunAbility power lift, we are going to go through a few different steps here. We've already brought our lift down. We've got our scooter loaded onto the lift at this point. With your pendant here, you've got an up, a down, and a fold and unfold option. And since we're already on the ground, we're going to want to go up. So we're going to start by going up just a little bit. All right, and we're just off the ground, so we want to make sure that this kick plate is locked in place and it's not going anywhere. You also want to check the back one and make sure that one's in working order as well, because we don't want anyone falling off that lift. So now that we know that that's secure, we can continue going up. And now that we're up, we'll have our passenger work their way backwards just a little bit, so they are able to not be out here on the platform. You want to have them back up just a little bit. All right, and then we'll have them stop right there, and then we'll go around and we'll bring them in the rest of the way from the inside of the bus. So for manual operation of your lift, if you lose power or if there's a situation where you're going to need to operate it manually, they're typically on one side of the housing here. You will find a bar with kind of a yellow handle to it, right there. And you notice it has some notches on the end then as well. And so if you are ever needing to lower the lift without power, you can find those notches, and with about a quarter of a turn, you're going to make that turn, and you'll notice that the lift is starting to go down at this point. You don't want to go much further than that because you'll start leaking fluids. So just a quarter of a turn is all you need. It starts going down. Now if you're ready for a workout, this is the manual hand pump too, and this will actually go the other way. Making sure that that's closed, you can slowly work the lift up. Like I said, this will take a long time if you're going from the bottom to the top, but it will take it all the way up. And this one you'll want to make sure is level at this point, because if you keep pumping, it will start to fold that lift up in this situation then as well. And then we always want to make sure we put that back, and so that goes back in the storage area right back here.